So, me and my sister about to do this contagious burp thing. We don't know how it works, but she do. I look at it right now, right? I know. This came from Popeyes. I can't burp that. She gotta have it out.
I'm ready. Hurry for my burp for the race.
Okay, here we go.
Keep
It's not coming out.
One second.
She dirty.
Better get ready for your final.
That's my last sip.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the contagious burp.
I tried.
Leave to the champion.
Oh well.